Hey everyone, we are talking about soil health today, and there's a lot of different ways to check your soil, but today we've got a very high-tech way of doing it. That's right. We are burying some underwear. Of all the things that I have planted on this garden, I have never planted underwear. This is part of the NRCS's Soil Health Challenge called Soil Your Undies. So what we're going to do and what you would need to do is get 100% cotton men's white underwear. And we are going to dig a hole, try not to disturb the soil too much, but dig the hole about 3 inches down. We're going to lay these flat into the ground and let them set for 60 days. Cotton is naturally made out of carbon. And so we're going to be able to see how much microbial activity is in the soil based off of how much cotton they eat. So we're going to leave it for 60 days and then we'll come back and check it. The best time to kind of do this is in late spring going into the summer months when the temperatures are warming up, those microbes are getting really active. So we're going to do this in 3 different places. You can see we're here at the Botanic Garden in our shade garden. We're also going to do it up on campus at the GLC in one of their lawn areas. And then finally, we're going to head over to the student farm and also plant it there in one of our vegetable gardens. So once you get your undies buried, while they are tagless that we buried, we want to make sure to tag them so that we can find them in 60 days. And so check back with us in 60 days to see what our undies look like and how soiled they might be. And I would encourage you guys to join us, and we would love to see your pictures of what your undies look like out of your garden as well. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.